Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Oracle Cloud Data Catalog detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the Oracle Cloud website. Click on the Sign In option located at the top right corner of the page. If you already have an Oracle account, enter your credentials and log in. If you do not have an account, click on Create an Account. Fill in the required fields, including your email address and a secure password. Select the Create Account button to proceed. Once your account is created, return to the Oracle Cloud homepage. Scroll down to find the section featuring various Oracle Cloud services. Locate Data Catalog and click on it. You may need to choose a service deployment option if prompted. Follow the on-screen instructions for setting up your Oracle Cloud account. Select the appropriate cloud region based on your geographical location. Review and accept the terms and conditions to continue. After acceptance, you'll be directed to the Oracle Cloud dashboard. From the dashboard, look for the Services menu on the side panel. Click on Data Catalog to access the service. You will be prompted to set up a new Data Catalog instance. Enter a unique name for your Data Catalog instance in the provided field. Choose the desired configuration options that best suit your organization's needs. After configuring the settings, click on Create Instance. Wait for the instance to be provisioned. This process may take several minutes. Once the instance is ready, you will receive a notification. Click on the notification to view your new data catalog. You can now begin adding metadata and managing your data assets. Explore the interface to familiarize yourself with its features. You're now registered and ready to use Oracle Cloud Data Catalog. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.